Okay, I'm on Sukhumvit Road. I'm going to show you guys the Admiral Suites. It's on Sukhumvit Soi 22. So I'm going to start off the video from Sukhumvit Road. I'm going to walk all the way down to Admiral Suites. See how long it takes me. I'm going to show you guys what's around here if you guys want to stay in that hotel, which I'm staying at. So obviously you got the Holiday Inn, which is a nice hotel. I think they got a bar up top, some kind of pool bar or something like that, I don't know. There's Buddy's Bar and Grill. There's a lot of massage places around here. Hello.
Hello.
They got a buffet right here. Doesn't say the price, but yeah, here we go. The Bar Bangkok. Best rooftop pool in Bangkok. Never been there, so I don't know. There's quite a few Indian restaurants here too, if you're into that. But I'm very surprised what is actually down here, because I've never actually been to Soi 22. There's a Thai seafood complex there. I was really surprised what's down here. And there's a lot of places, a lot of convenience stores. There's actually a Lawson's convenience store here, and it's quite big. There's also a food market here as well. I mean, if you're living down here, if you're living in one of these apartments, condos, that's a great place to buy your food. A lot of good hotels down here as well. We just passed one at the Holiday Inn. There's a gourmet market here as well, and I went in there and they have everything in there. Everything, all types of food. There's a grocery store in there, and they sell really good food in there. You got sandwiches and pastas, stuff like that. Sort of like Central Mall in Pattaya. Same kind of style. Yeah, there's lots of traffic going on right now. Here's that food market I was talking about, Macro Food Service. Hello. Right over there on my right. And you go down here, there's all these massage places down here as well. Money exchange, massage places, bars. There's a lot of stuff down here. I mean, you can have a night out here if you want as well. There's a lot of bars here. You just want to chill at a bar here. Don't want to go down the other entertainment districts of Bangkok. So there's Lawson 108. Convenience store. I was really surprised to see that. The first time I've seen a Lawson's down here in Bangkok, or in Thailand. So there it is. Here's a Marriott. It's a nice hotel, looks like it. Probably very expensive. I can't afford that. Maybe if I get more subscribers, more views, more patrons, maybe I could. Maybe one day I'll be able to afford to stay there, but not right now. I went to this Berlin's Donair shop on my right last night, and it was excellent. It was actually one of the best Donairs I've ever had. So if you guys are down here, go check it out. It's a little more pricey. It's 179 baht, but for like a chicken donair, and it's like really quality ingredients, and the wrap is really, it's like homemade. They cook it in there. It's open 24 hours. Berlin's Donair kebab, really good. There's a 4 Points hotel on my right, like Sheraton. It's right there. Wake up. Hello. How are you? Up. There's another place here full of massage shops. Hello. Howdy cop. The massage girls here are really nice. Not even camera shy, which is good. So here's the Admiral Suites on my right. And there's a 7-Eleven right across. So that's very convenient. So I'm going to show you guys the room, the swimming pool, and the fitness gym. There's a Domino's pizza here as well. I don't know if I don't like that pizza. It's fast food pizza. Better pizzas around here. Pizza shops. So here it is. Kind of rough. Made in 2002. There's a 7-Eleven right there, straight on my left. And here's Admiral Suites. Swimming pool's on the 5th floor. It's not a very big, tall building or hotel. Lobby's right here. So let's have a look at my room. Cheers. Okay, here is the superior balcony double bedroom, which is 37 square meters. I'm on the 2nd floor. This is what it looks like. Lots of space. You got a table here, 2 chairs. Flat screen TV right here. You can set your laptop right here as well. A couple outlets here. Hotel facilities, swimming pool, sauna, fitness room, self-service laundry, complimentary drink, water 2 bottles per day. So the swimming pool, sauna, and fitness is open from 6 a.m. till 10 p.m. Which is on the 5th floor. Free Wi-Fi, obviously. Yeah, here's the kitchen, kitchenette. You got a nice big fridge here. These are 2 free waters, a couple glasses here, microwave. There's your sink. You also have some plates here, some bowls, forks and knives and spoons. A couple wine glasses. Got your kettle, free coffee and tea, obviously. There's your double bed. Mattress seems pretty good. Not too hard, not too soft. Soft pillows. A couple outlets right here as well. You got your big safety deposit box. That's the biggest I've seen in a hotel or an apartment. So that's really good. A lot of drawers here, obviously. And oh yeah, nice big closet here. Hang up your clothes. Some slippers. More room up there. Yeah, that's cool. Here's your bathroom. It's clean. It's a little bit older style. Rough on the edges, but no big deal. Good for a couple days, a few days. There's your hair dryer. You also have a big mirror here as well. Shower cap, shower gel, shampoo, soap. Here's your shower. It's clean, medium sized. No rainfall, nothing special, but good enough, right? And your balcony is right here. I'll turn on the light. Oh, it already is. Okay. It's not open. Let's see. There we go. So there's a small little balcony. So I believe you can smoke on the balcony. Parking lot. Not much of a view. The second floor, obviously. So the air kind of works really well. Nice and cold in here. It's a little bit loud. I have it off right now. It is quite. It's like medium-ish noisy. You know, it's not too loud, not too quiet, right? And you get some cards. You can ask for an extra, so you can get two cards if you want. I don't see any room service menu here, so I don't believe there is. Yeah, I don't believe there's room service, so there's no room service. But yeah, it's actually, this hotel is on Sukhumvit 22. Obviously, I told you that earlier. It's about 8 minutes to Soi Cowboy, and it's quite far to Soi Forb. So you can take the BTS. It'll take you like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. You're at Nana, Soi Nana, basically. So, but yeah, this is a good option for you. It's a little bit cheaper, so it's not too bad. I usually stay near Soi Nana, that area. I couldn't find any cheaper prices there this time of year. It's high season, so it shows this hotel. So this is what it looks like in the daytime. Here's a balcony. There's the view you get. Not much of a view. Not much of a view. Just the car park. A parking lot here. Apartments. Condos and some hotels around here. That's the view you get from the second floor. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the pool and the gym, which is on the 5th floor. So here's the gym. So you got your treadmill. You got this here, which I forget what it's called. It's basic equipment here. For your legs, for your back, for your chest. You got some light free weights here, a bench. I like the water though, that's good. Got some free water here. And we also have the sauna here as well. Well, coin laundry. There's a laundry shop right here. Oh, there it is. Not sure where the sauna is. Oh, the sauna's over there. Oh, sir. How you doing? Here's the pool. So you get a decent view of Bangkok. So here's the bathroom. And here's the sauna. It's okay. Small little pool, but at least it's clean. It's very clean up here, so just a few lawn chairs. Not sure how deep it is. It looks like it's about maybe 4.5, 5 feet deep on this side. More shallow on that side. Yeah, at least you get all day sun here. Seems like it's already almost 2 o'clock. We still have the sun here, so. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to Potato Landman. Also got free towels as well. Another thing I didn't mention. But thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Potato Landman. And check out my Patreon channel as well for raw and filtered full throttle videos, and my Instagram and my TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. Cheers, enjoy your life.